Attention all police agents. 1. There are only 2 jurisdictions. One of the dead by consent, threatened crown, crone, dead mother, and one of, by, for, the living, where the dead corporate fiction is the crown corporation corpse, and the living is I, the witness to your crimes via your intent. 2. Your obedient and willful consent to wear a corporate uniform is prima facie evidence of your intent to commit crimes via omission, commission, knowingly, unknowingly, where your ignorance is not and never will be a defense in any living court, where you will be privately prosecuted in your living status by all who witness your actions that you are known by. 3. And in all times you ask, with intent, to procure a legal name, you are, in fact, committing premeditated murder with intent to kill a living being by means of a dead legal name to gain a false jurisdiction where these frauds and crimes are already well known to millions and where these actions are a crime against humanity and your spiritual suicide. 4. Your master, the dead crown corporation, owners thereof, that you are in spiritual contract with via your obedient willful intent to consent, via sworn oaths, renders you dead by consent and without voice in any all courts of the living, where you can and will be prosecuted for your crimes in a living court of record. 5. The birth certificate is proof and prima facie evidence of the crown owner's, your master's, intent to defraud and commit crimes against humanity, that you, by your sworn oath, are fully party and liable to, for, of your actions, by, of, for, commission, omission, knowingly, unknowingly, inasmuch as you now have evidence to the contrary of your beliefs, and are the last holder in course and under living contract with me, the living witness, whereas you have given your seal on this document via DNA covenant. You have now a choice to make, and one that will define your very existence, regardless of your program beliefs, opinions, training, indoctrinations, etc., since your birth. You can choose to be the slave of another, where any and all who are your superiors are your masters. You can claim to be free where we know otherwise, and you are bound by this contract you are now holding, where your choice has made you the holder in due course without return. It is now yours, and you are fully liable henceforth for any all actions taken to harm others via your now non-ignorant actions. As a living witness without legal name or names, you are without jurisdiction, without claim, without authority, where your crimes are fully visible and your dead consent, legal, office titles, names, etc., verifies your consent to be such a thing, without voice, and your licenses from licentious, which means one who is a sexually morally depraved criminal, confirm your nature. You stand now in the jurisdiction of the common law as a peace officer, and any actions of harm, threats, coercions, deceptions, fraud attempts, etc. at all renders you a belligerent. See Law of Nations, Nuremberg Principles, Apostolic Letters, inasmuch as you falsely claim to be law enforcement, where you are acting as a policy or policy statute pirate, working for a private corporation, and are hereby witnessed as such, where forfeiture of your property is common law, under law of mark, in satisfaction of any all wronged by your actions forthwith. You are duly noticed. Have a nice day.